Here at potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, ang daily hope natin with Pastor Rick Warren is God is always on time. Yung Bible verse is from Galatians 6 verse 9. Let's not get tired of doing what is good. At just the right time, we will reap a harvest of blessing if we don't give up. So, friend, ayan, God is always on time. In the waiting room of life, we can choose to panic. Yan, friend. Mainipin ka ba? You're impatient. Your waiting time is short. So, we tend to focus on what's going on around us. We let circumstances convince us that there's reason to wait. There's no reason to wait patiently, to be at peace, to trust, and to hope. So, yan, friend, parang sometimes we want things to happen right now, but yun nga, yung ating waiting time is just getting us ready for a miracle. Instead of panicking, we can choose to trust and remember, God is never in a hurry. Number 2, God is never late. God's timing is always perfect. So, you just have to patiently wait for the miracle in our lives. So, masyadong yan, we are in hurry. We want things to happen right away. So, yan, kaya tayo na-frustrate, na-depress. When it appears to be late, He is getting you ready for a miracle. So, something big is coming. So, do you still remember the story of Lazarus, yung friend ni Jesus, no? So, he was sick. So, si Mary and Martha asked Jesus to come. So, yun nga, for healing, to save him up. But, he came back, or he came to Lazarus' house after 3 days. So, nung 3rd day, wala, he passed away, or he got buried. So, doon palang dumaling si Jesus. So, parang waiting for a bigger miracle. Instead of healing, Jesus brought Lazarus back to life. So, diba, that's a big miracle for his family. Don't give up your faith. Hold on, keep praying and serving and meeting with God's family. Keep sowing, keep believing, because you're getting ready for a miracle. So, take some time to write about a prayer to God that expresses how you want to grow and where you would need help the most when you are in a waiting period. Yan, friends. So, sometimes it pays to wait for the miracle that we need in our life. So, minsan yun nga, God is pruning us, getting us ready for yung ultimate goal or ultimate dream that we have in our life. So, wag lang pong mainip. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching in God's perfect time.